Good morning, psychology class. Welcome to your e-learning day. How's your day going? Anything interesting or exciting happening today yet? How was your weekend? Since we are doing a silent day today, I guess I will have to get the actual answers from you tomorrow. So, just like we normally do in class, I am going to show you the beginning slide and kind of explain what the plan is for today. So, first off, you do have a warm-up for today. So today is February 19th. Make sure you write this down in your binder. Your warm-up for today is to give an example of when the id, ego, and superego has been in conflict in your life other than food. The reason not other than food is because we talked about that on Thursday as an example, so something else. Then I want you to go and finish that defense mechanisms chart that we started on Thursday. In order to do this, what I want you to do is go on Canvas, and you already went here where it says e-learning info because you're watching this video. So when you click on this, you'll get to the e-learning info. Please don't forget to fill out the e-learning attendance. This is how I'm supposed to take attendance today, as well as during any e-learning day. So make sure you fill it out. I know you're sitting in front of me and I can see you, but you still need to fill this out. So make sure you do that. Then what you will find is I did post that website that we used on Thursday to fill in our defense mechanisms chart. So there's the website there, and I know some of you used your book as well. But then I want you to go and finish the defense mechanism chart. I actually made it as a Google Doc, so if you click on this, you're going to pull it up in Google Docs, obviously. And then you are going to have one person, and I don't care whoever gets there first and starts typing first, fill in your information for your type of defense mechanism that your group did on Thursday. Then, once the whole thing is done, I want everybody to go and put this in your notes for your personality unit. So make sure that you add that to your personality unit. Okay, so that's the first thing. This is defense mechanisms chart. So do your warm-up, defense mechanisms chart. The next thing is the defense mechanism and activity. Now, normally in class, what I have done is that each group picks 3 defense mechanisms that they are going to demonstrate in a short little skit. And the rest of the class is going to then guess what type of defense mechanism they're demonstrating. Well, since we're doing e-learning day today, you can't really do a skit. So what I have instead is that we have actually a discussion thread. So when you go under the e-learning day, it says defense mechanisms examples. And if you click on that, it'll have the explanation. But basically what I want you to do is I want you to choose 3 defense mechanisms to demonstrate in a short explanation of what your skit would look like if you were doing it in class. Okay? Be creative. Don't use the ones that are already in your chart. And don't label what defense mechanisms you're doing because somebody's going to have to guess it. So you can do it one of 2 ways. You can either do one skit that incorporates all 3 defense mechanisms that you chose. So each character has a different defense mechanism that they're using. Or you can go and do 3 separate skits, one for each defense mechanism. Either way, I don't care. But then once everybody starts posting, I want you to pick 2 of them to reply to and guess which defense mechanism they are actually describing. Please don't pick one that has already been guessed, obviously. So somebody already picked it, pick something else, okay? So that's the second thing that I want you to do. Then the last thing is that I do want you to go and finish the notes for psychoanalysis. So I do have some video notes for you to watch. And so I have them posted on the e-learning day module. So it says Module 56, Psychoanalysis Part 2. You can also find, by the way, all of this stuff in the normal spot under personality, under the personality unit. So if I scroll down to the bottom, you will see the video notes are still here, same place, and the defense mechanisms chart, the copy, and then the copy of the discussion forum. So that's all there, so you guys can get that. Okay. Other than that, a couple other reminders. Remember, Module 56/57 homework is due tonight by midnight, so make sure you get that in, as well as the cognition review unit is due tonight by midnight. If you have time in class, so if you finish these things, I would suggest that you work on those. Other than that, Module 58 is due tomorrow, Tuesday night by midnight. Module 59 will be due Wednesday night by midnight, and then Trojan Tots paper will be due Thursday in class. It is not a submission on Canvas. The reason it is because I want a paper copy since you're also turning in your observation forms, which you had written down on when you were doing your Trojan Tots field trip. So make sure you turn that in on Thursday. Finally, over the weekend, next weekend, you guys are just going to be working on homework corrections because this is a really short unit. And you guys are going to have the motivation/emotion review unit due on next Monday by midnight. And then our quiz over personality, I'm scheduling for day 2 next week, which will be Tuesday. So other than that, if you have any questions, remember we are playing the silent game today. And so you can't ask me any questions in person, but you can email me and I will respond because we're pretending as if you were home. All right. Hope you guys have a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.